Hello, yes, that's right. It's Joe here for Joyrider TV. And today I'm going to be joined by pro Joyrider Ollie Smith.
I feel a bit crazy for this.
Action. Yeah, it is once again blowing dogs off the chains. So today we've looked at making the ultimate high wind joyride bus, and that is the Hobie Pacific with a Hobie 15 mainsail. Let's see how she performs. Okay, yeah, so she launches well. So it seems so far so good. We're certainly ready for action. We've got some small waves coming through. Is that a Malcheski Composites gold tiller extension? Yes, it is. First time out with that bad boy. I've got the Locosys GW60 to record the results. Audio from the Instamic, video from the GoPro Hero 8 on the head only. Okay, let's grip it and rip it, man. Woo! Okay. She's a little reluctant to bear away. Rudders are on the bottom a little bit, but oh yeah, there goes one. Ah. 3 times the charm. Rudder kicks up. Bit of a wave here. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right. Oh no. Getting used to the telescopic tiller extension could result in an early bath, but we'll try to avoid that. Going Traveller all the way to the middle. This is going to be one stable ride. I think go forwards a bit, dude. Not going to lie to you, she's feeling a little bit underpowered. Oh my goodness, but the tiller extension feels sublime. It is so light in the hands with a very nifty locking feel. I don't think we need, I could throw the main sheet into the boat. I don't think I need it. Of course, moving to the smaller sail has moved the cleating angle on the main sheet down a little bit, which means uncleating does take a little bit more persuasion. Okay, we've got a bit of wind here. I might just take this opportunity to reset the GPS. This is the ultimate high wind joyriding vessel. Just going to wind the Traveller all the way to the middle. Ollie's ready to play the downhaul because he's got nothing else to do. The leech of the mainsail's opening up nicely there in the gusts. And I think we'll just take it up to the mountain and then we're going to go full send on a Joyrider TV special. Broad reach down the mine shaft. Stay tuned for that. Mine shaft. But this tiller extension is absolutely lush, yeah. You can have the return leg.
No, I'm alright.
It's incredible to be out in this much wind, yet the boat feels
pretty docile.
Docile, yeah, good choice of adjective. Yeah, very underpowered with the 15 main. It's a good job we didn't go for the original plan, which was for the Hobie 16 Easy Junior mainsail, which might have been a little bit too limp. All right, well, I think let's go see how fast she'll go. I'd be surprised if we can go 20 knots. It doesn't go any faster. You turn onto a reach and it's the same. There's a bit of a gust there. This is nice with the telescopic tiller extension. I'm just constantly tweaking it so that I'm just holding the end. All right, I think we should turn around. Yeah. Okay, just bringing her up towards the wind, bit of a gust coming. Ollie's just easing the downhaul there, give us maximum acceleration out of attack. All right, this is going to be quite a difficult tack actually. All right, here we go. So, yeah, that was a tricky one. See how Ollie got to the back there? That's really going to help the boat bear away on the new side. Nice bit of technique. Back on the underpowered Express. So if you happen to have a Hobie Pacific and you've been wondering how can I make this boat a bit more stable when it's windy, a Hobie 15 mainsail will certainly do the job. It is a little bit shorter than the reefed Pacific mainsail, so I did have to add a little strop to the top of the sail so that it could hook in. We've got a gust on, apparently. Oh yeah, top speed 14.3. She's certainly not got any more to give. Cranking her in, ready for the gust. It's the big one. We are ready, if nothing else. Here we go. Oh my goodness, the anticipation is killing me. We have got the righting line out already as well, just for when it happens. Okay, so there we go. I think we can say that the Pacific with the 15 mainsail is one of the least powerful boats I've ever had a go on. And I reckon you could take this in up to 30 knots single-handed without too much problem. So I'll be back soon with more on Joyrider TV. Thanks to everybody who's stuck with it over the winter months. But now we're going to prosper with some more of the good stuff. Oh, this could be a top speed coming up. Yes, 14.75. It's one for the speed stick.